Okay, so 2025. 2025 is not around the corner. It's happening now. So are you ready to make this year the most successful year yet? Today I'm going to set up goals for 2025 and I'm going to show you exactly how to set up a plan and crush your goal this year. Okay? So, what if I tell you that right now you have the power to completely transform your life in 2025, either financially, physically, mentally, emotionally? The only thing standing between you and the life you want is one thing: clear, actionable goals. Today, I'm not only gonna set up my own goals for 2025, so I can show you how, but I'm also going to break down a proven framework to help you crush your own goals this year. So, if you're serious about making a big change this year, stay with me towards the end of this video. Oh, if you enjoy content like this, support my work, do me a huge favor, hit the like button, share it, and please follow me. Support my hard work, my research, my something that I'm passionate about is helping the community. Subscribe to my channel and set up the daily notifications so you could get um, daily motivational content. So let's get into it. So, what is the number one reason that people fail to hit their goals? You ever ask yourself that? Okay, let me ask you something. Have you set up a goal like, I want to get fit, I want to make more money, I want to be happy, only to find yourself a month later in exactly the same place? Well, most people made three huge mistakes when setting goals. Number one, they set up big goals, like saying, I want to be healthier. Well, that isn't a goal, it's a wish. A goal needs to be clear and actionable. Like, I will get to the gym in the next 4 days, for a week, in the next for the next 3 months. But something like that. Okay. Number two, they aim too high, too fast, like losing 50 pounds in a month or making $1 million in a year. Sounds exciting, but it's not realistic. When people don't see fast results, they quit. Yes, I've been there. Okay. They have no clear plan. Goals without a plan are just dreams. Is uh, if you don't map out a clear step-by-step actions, your goal will stay out of reach. If you don't know where you're going, you're already there. Okay? This is where most people fell out of track. But what if I tell you that there is a way to guarantee you hitting your goals every time? And I mean every single one of them in 2025. So stick with me, okay? I am out to show you exactly how. Okay? This is our research. The proven method to crush your goals in 2025 is, okay, it's about to show you how the high achievers like Elon Musk, Oprah Winfrey, David Goggins used to dominate their goals. They call it the SMART goal method. Have you ever heard about that? Well, if you don't, get ready. First, make specific goals. Your goal can be vague. Instead of saying, I want to make more money, say, I will make $10,000 a month starting an online business in 2025. Use affirmations. Visualize it. Feel it. The clearer you get, the easier it becomes to measure your progress. Two, make it measurable. All right. You need a way to track your progress and ask yourself, how would I know when I'm achieving my goals? What metrics will I use to measure my progress? Should always do that. Example, if your goal is to lose weight, for example, right? A measurable goal could be like, I will lose 20 pounds in 6 months by going to the gym 4 times a week. Three, make it achievable. Don't dream. Okay, here's the thing, dreaming big is great, but you have to be realistic. So if you currently make $2,000 a month, setting up a goal to make $1 million a year may sound motivating and everything, but it's not realistic in 12 months. Instead, aim for goals like, I will increase my income $1,000 a month through freelance work, either music, writing, making online side hustle, making a side hustle, doing DoorDash or anything like that. So, fourth, make it relevant. Okay, your goals need to align with your long-term vision. Ask yourself, why do I want with this goal? If this goal pushing me towards the life that I truly want, you should always be asking yourself that question. If the goal doesn't align with your values, you will lose motivational fast. Okay? Number five, make it time bound. A goal without a deadline is just a dream. Always attach a timeline to your goal. So, for example, I will grow my YouTube channel by 10,000 subscribers by December 31st, 2025. The time constraint forces you to take action constantly. My goals for 2025, so you could follow along. Okay. Now that you know the framework, let me share my personal goals for 2025 so you could see the method in action. My fitness goal is to run under 20 minutes at 5K by June this year. Okay. Financial goals. I want to hit $20,000 a month in revenue by Q4 through YouTube, my business, side hustles, and so on. Okay? Personal growth. I want to be able to read another 40 books in 2025. I want to be able to write another 10 books by 2025, by the end of 2025. The content goal is to upload, let's say, 3 quality videos per day, either YouTube, Facebook, and so on, for the entire year. By sharing my goals with you, it holds me accountable, and I challenge you to do the same. Drop your 2025 goals in the comment below, please. Also, this is some of the pro tips to heal your goals fast. All right. Now, here's where the most people mess up. They set a goal, but they don't create a daily action plan. If you want to crush your goals fast, here's what you need to do. Okay, break them down into micro tasks. If your goal is to make $100,000 a year, break it down into daily income goal, weekly task, monthly revenue targets. This eliminates the overwhelm that keeps you focused. Okay. Second, track your progress. Okay. Every Sunday, I sit down, track my progress and my goals. I look at how much closer I am to what's working out or not, what adjustments I need to make. If you're not tracking, you are guessing, let me tell you. And guessing is the fastest way to failure. 3. Eliminate distractions. Don't procrastinate. Don't self sabotage. Distraction is the enemy of success. You're constantly scrolling social media, watching Netflix, or hanging out with negative people. You will never hit your goals. Instead, schedule time blocks for deep work. Cut out toxic distractions or toxic people. Surround yourself with goal driven people. Okay? Now, books that I'm going to recommend for you to read and stay motivated in 2025. If you want to maintain a high level of motivation this year, I highly recommend these books to you. Atomic Habits by James Clear, which teaches how to build and keep habits that drive success. I read it. It's awesome. Okay? The 10X Rule by Grant Cardone. My God, that book is awesome too. Shows you how to dominate your goals by taking massive action. And my favorite but not least, because I'm a runner, Can't Hurt Me by David Goggins. Teaches mental toughness and overcoming self-doubt. Trust me, these books will change your life. Now, songs that ignite my motivation, and I hope they do for you too. Okay? Till I Collapse by Eminem. Unstoppable by Sia, SIA. Lose Yourself by Eminem. These music tracks keep your energy and focus locked in. I hope you enjoy them. I do. Your turn to set your goals. Okay? Right now. Right now. Now it's your turn. Grab that notebook, that pen, open your notepad or your app and write them down. Three goals for 2025. Make a clear action plan. Make a deadline for these goals. And now, the last but not least, drop your comments on the lines below, so I could hold you accountable for your goals. Let's share. Let's share with the community. Let's share what did you encounter? How did you do it? What is your experience in achieving goals faster? How you hold yourself accountable? Share your experience. Let's make our community a strong community of helping each other through comments in the videos. Also, share the video, please. Share the video with someone that needs motivation. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please, for more powerful content. So until the next video, God bless. I'm telling you this, okay? Because 2025 will be your breakthrough year if you stay locked in on your goals. So stop waiting, start planning, and let's crush 2025 together. I love you guys.